So hi, what did you think of your first Glitza experience?
I think it was amazing. I didn't expect it to be that amazing because I consider myself as an adult, but I still love it. So I think it's a good experience even for adults.
So it's something that you could see yourself doing alone or with your friends or maybe with some younger relatives?
I feel like with younger relatives it's a good experience and it's great to buy something like this for younger your younger sisters or brothers. It's a great present.
And can you see places in your everyday life, like around your home or anywhere else that you could use Glitza other than where you put it today?
I think you can put it literally everywhere, like anywhere you want. You just stick it anywhere. You stick it on yourself, on your notebooks, on your phones, anywhere you like. And I think it's a great thing to do even if you're not a kid. Just do it for every day.
Thanks, Olena.